Hello each and everyone, welcome to Anamika's A to Space. Today in this video, I welcome all the class 6 students of DAV school. And in this video, we are going to study all the question and answers of chapter 13. From chapter 1 to chapter 12, we have already studied all the question and answers. You can check out the playlist link in the description below. So chapter 13 is magnets. Let's begin. First, we will do the brief or the short answer questions. Before that, as it is the study time, if you wanna study with Anamika's A to Space every day, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon to receive the notification immediately as soon as I post this video. Question 1. State two properties of a bar magnet. Answer. Two properties of a bar magnet are: Point 1. Attractive property. The magnet is capable of attracting a small piece of iron, steel, etc. As you can see, this one is the picture of a magnet, and the magnet has the power to attract the iron pieces or steel pieces. Clear, students? Next point. Directive property. A freely suspended magnet always points towards the north and the south direction. So whenever you will get a compass, so you will see that this is a freely suspended magnet and it will always point towards the two direction. One is north and another is south. Is it clear, student? If it is clear, then please like this video, leave a comment down, share this video, and also don't forget to save this video and turn on the bell icon to receive the notification immediately as soon as I post the next video. Question number 2. Maximum iron filling stick to the two end of a bar magnet. Why? Answer. Maximum iron filling stick to the ends of the bar magnet because strength of a bar magnet is maximum near the poles. Question number 3. Suppose we bring the north pole of one bar magnet towards the north pole of another freely suspended bar magnet. What are we likely to observe? Answer. We observe repulsion. See, this is another one magnet, this is another magnet. If we bring them close together, then what we will see? If we bring the north pole of one magnet to the north pole of the second magnet, then what will happen? So we will observe repulsion. Why? Because the like poles repels each other. When we bring the north pole of one bar magnet towards the north pole of another freely suspended bar magnet. Let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Two magnets X and Y are shown in the diagram. It is observed that magnet X floats above magnet Y. Give reason for this observation. Answer. Magnet X flows above magnet Y because of the two magnets X and Y are having same pose towards each other. Question number 5. Why you are given a knitting needle made up of steel? How can you make it into a magnet? Answer. We can make steel needle into a magnet by placing it near a bar magnet for some time. This is because the needle acquires some magnetism. So clear, students? If it is clear, then please do leave a comment down and subscribe to this channel. Now we are moving ahead to the long answer questions. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Distinguish between these following. Number A is permanent magnet and temporary magnet. So first we will do the point number A and then we will move to point number B. Answer. Permanent magnet and temporary magnet. Permanent magnet. These are magnets that once made remain as magnets for a long period of time. Temporary magnets. These are the magnets that once made remain as a magnet only for a short interval of time. Permanent magnets. Steel, cobalt steel, alnico, ticanol are some of the materials that are used for making permanent magnets. Temporary magnets. Soft iron and nickel are two of the materials used for making temporary magnets. Point number B. Distinguish between magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Answer. Magnetic material, non-magnetic material. Materials which get attracted towards a magnet are called as magnetic materials. Materials that do not get attracted towards a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials examples: iron, steel, cobalt, nickel, etc. Non-magnetic materials example: paper, wood, straws, etc. Question number 3. Describe in brief the construction of a compass needle. State its main use. Answer. The compass consists of a magnetic needle pivoted at its center and free to rotate a horizontal plane. The needle is fitted in a horizontal box having a glass cover. The compass also has a dial with directions marked on it. State its main use. It is used to locate the north and the south direction at a place. Question number 4. Draw a label diagram to show the proper way of storing two bar magnets. when they are not in use. State the advantage of such a proper storing. Answer. You can refer from the book. It is already present in the book. You can refer the diagram. And answer for the second question is advantages of proper storing of the bar magnets. Bar magnets do not lose their magnetism for a long period of time. Question number 5. The different ways through which magnets can be made to lose their magnetism. Answer. Different ways through which magnets can be made to lose their magnetism are: point number 1. Magnets lose their magnetic properties when heated or mishandled. Point number 2. If magnets are not stored properly, their strength keeps on decreasing with time. Question number 6. Anushka saw steel clip at the bottom of a very shallow puddle of water. She used a magnet to take out this clip without wetting her hands or the magnet. Describe how she must have done this. Answer. She must have done this with the help of a strong magnet, which can attract the steel clips located at the bottom of a very shallow puddle of water. Is it clear, students? I hope that this was enough and we have completed all the question and answers. What you can do is, you can see the full playlist link which is present in the description below. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and the ID is the Anamika's EduSpace, where you will be getting regular updates. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon for getting notification updates from our channel, that is Anamika's EduSpace. Thanks for watching. Please do visit again.